This is school, isn't it?
No.
It's not school, eh?
Yes.
Okay, who told you to speak in your mother tongue?
I was nodding.
What do you mean you are noting?
The speak.
What's your name?
The cow.
The cow?
Sorry, good.
Are you a goat?
Boy.
You? Can you understand me?
It's mom.
What has your mom done?
It's to eat.
You know, beat you thoroughly.
Thank you.
So you won't be beaten, eh?
Kind of.
Okay. I will send you home to go come with your mother.
I have it.
You have who?
It's Wafula.
Wafula has done what?
To bring mother.
I'm talking about you.
I know.
Whom are you talking to like that?
I don't know then.
You've been rude, eh? You've been rude?
Normally.
All right. Do you know you'll miss your exams?
Yeah, it is good.